It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another Dollar Tree DIY video. Today I am showing you the cutest rustic Christmas decor in traditional colors. These DIYs were all so simple, so cheap, and yet so cute. I'm so in love with these little bottle brush trees and these little houses that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you would like to see how I put all this decor together, then please keep watching.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
The first thing I did was print out these music sheets I found off of Google Images. I used There's No Place Like Home for the holidays and I'll Be Home for Christmas. I thought they would be really cute together and go well with the little houses I'll be showing you later. I just cut them to size and then placed them into a pan with some black coffee to stain them.
I've decorated everything till we
While those were soaking, I took a Dollar Tree canvas and removed the canvas and then placed the frame into the coffee as well.
and me. Another year went by, but the difference.
I let them soak for about 20 minutes. When I took them out, I realized the frame looked way too yellowy, so I decided to stain it with some brown paint and a baby wipe. And this made the frame the most perfect color.
Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Once the music sheet was dry, I added Mod Podge to the back side and glued it right to the canvas. Then I just hot glued the frame over it to finish it up.
Myself in a cabin out of nowhere.
This was my favorite DIY. I just love how worn and rustic it looks. I later decided to add a backstand to it using a couple Dollar Tree popsicle sticks.
Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Next, I took this Halloween sign and turned it around to use the backside for the other music sheet. I painted the inside white and left the outside black in case I ever decide to use the Halloween side. Then I used Mod Podge again to glue it down. Then I took this Dollar Tree ornament and cut off the Merry Christmas sign to leave just the red truck. I thought it would be so cute to glue it to the bottom of the sign. I just love these bottle brush trees from the Dollar Tree. I thought it would be so cute to wrap some Dollar Tree twine around the bottom of this little tree to add a little rustic touch. Next, I took these little houses from the Dollar Tree and just simply painted them white. I love all the windows and architecture on these little houses. I really want to go back and get some more to paint because they are so cheap yet so adorable.
For you and me.
Next, I decided to make a twine Christmas tree, so I started by gluing 2 Dollar Tree tumbling blocks to some Dollar Tree popsicle sticks. I then arranged some popsicle sticks to make a tree form. I honestly didn't know what I was doing and just wrapped and glued until I came up with a tree that I liked. I then finished by staining the stand with the same brown paint and baby wipe. I sat everything out on my DIY Dollar Tree tiered tray. I found this Christmas greenery clip at the Dollar Tree, as well as this Christmas stem. I finished up by adding some Dollar Tree twinkling lights. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these super simple and easy Christmas DIYs. I know the little houses and trees will go really fast this year, so I highly recommend you go get some before they run out because they are such a good deal. Putting this all together makes me so excited to start decorating in November. If you guys were inspired by any of these DIYs, then please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any videos from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.